how to create a Binance account in Iran and how to use it in Iran or in any country where it is not available or banned. So there are only 2 steps for doing so. And the very first step is you have to first of all open up your Instagram application. Why Instagram? You'll just get to know in a minute. And after opening Instagram, you have to tap on the search button and tap in the search bar available at the top. And after that, you have to search here how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap onto it and tap on the message button available on this profile. And after that, you have to write exactly the same thing as I'm writing. So watch carefully. So you have to write here, hi. Well, don't write hi. I am from Iran and I want a Binance account. And simply send this message. Now let me tell you that this is my Instagram account, and as soon as you message me, I will provide you a verified ready-made Binance account which will be ready to use, but it will only be a paid task. You have to pay a very little amount of money for having a verified Binance account. So do not message me if you are not ready to pay, and do not waste your time as well as mine. But this is the only way to get a pre-verified ready to use Binance account in Iran or any of the country in which it is not available. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.